Hello everybody. So, nagbigay po kami ng klase kami nito. Okay po, nagbigay po kami ng gifts. And thank you for 500 views and 30 subscribers. I am very thankful. Number 1. Cute. Very cute. Ah. I used to eat this when I was a kid. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Ace. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oops, sorry. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oops. Napasama na po. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Cute. Likod po. So cute. Meron pa pong iba. Thank you, Ace. Oh, sticky note 1 and sticky note 3, sticky note 4. Thank you, Ace. Really? Small scissors. Thanks. Spider-Man Rubik's Cube. Pag nagsusulat ka, pas sumakit, pwede ilagay ito. Na-try ko na. Gawa meron ako yung dati. I think this is the last one. Oh, meron pa pala. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Ace. My favorite. And correction tip. Thank you, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.